Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Oh, kind of feels like day 700. Should we do an Advent activity?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your envelope for today.
Advent 2007. Make hammer bread snowflakes.
Bead, hammer bead, snowflakes.
Oh, hammer bead snowflakes.
Yeah, should we do some snowflakes?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, cool, let's do this.
Cool.
That's how you get your snowflake design.
Yep.
Ta-da!
Finished. I have finished my snowflake. We're ready.
Now we're going to iron our hammer beads, okay? We put paper on the top.
Let's see if it has worked.
Oh, hello.
Be careful.
Ah, ta-da! It's just going to be a bit. Ta-da! Oh, look, there it is. Do you like
Close
it?
up, close up, close up, close up.
Okay, these are our finished snowflakes.
Snowflake, snowflake. Ah, you don't mind.
They're quite cute, aren't they? We like those. So thank you for watching our video. We hope you've liked it, and we'll be back tomorrow with another little Christmas activity
On day 8.
on day 8 of Vlogmas. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.